Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are going to just talk about what Forex is. Forex is basically a market between different type of currencies. Like for example, if you have dollar, American dollar against the Japanese yen, for example, then the value comparison between them makes the Forex market. So we can open that one, for example. So then you can see here is what you need to pay in yen to get a dollar. So today you need to pay $126-ish for a dollar. And then you can go into, and if you think the Japanese yen will lose value compared with dollar, or if it will gain value. So that's basically what Forex is.